Today I'm making white chocolate pumpkin dreams / cookies. Yes, pumpkin again, but they are so good. So let's get started on Darlene's table. I'm mixing the dry ingredients: flour, pumpkin pie spice, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Now I'm going to set this aside and I'm going to cream my butter with my light brown sugar and my white sugar. We're going to cream this for about 5 to 7 minutes until it's light and fluffy. You can see how it changes color. It gets real light. That means you're there or real close. Now I'm adding the egg. Oh, there's only one egg. Vanilla to the creamed butter and sugar. And now the pumpkin. Now I'm going to slowly add the dry ingredients, which we mixed and set aside. When all the dry ingredients have been added, that's when we'll add the chips and the pecans. So now I'm going to add the white chocolate. This is a 10-ounce bag of white chocolate, and I did chop it a little. You don't have to, but I did. 1 cup of chopped pecans. So I'm going to fold these white chocolate chips and the pecans in. Make sure it's evenly mixed. I'm going to use a 1 tablespoon scoop and drop these cookies on my cookie sheet 2 inches apart. Now these will go into the oven and they'll bake until they're firm at 350 degrees, 12 to 14 minutes. While those are baking, I'm going to prepare another sheet of dough. See how nice, this is a nice, soft, but firm cookie. While the second batch of cookies is baking, I'll start the frosting. So this is the light brown sugar and butter. I'm going to bring it to a boil. There we go. Cook this for about 1 minute, and then I'm going to let it cool for 10 minutes. So when it cooled, it was pretty firm. But it's fine, don't worry. Now we're going to add the milk to it and the vanilla and mix it really well. All right, I'm going to mix this until it's very smooth and all that will dissolve again. I want to make sure it's no lumps. Now I'm going to add powdered sugar. So all I need, anywhere from 1.5 cups to 2 cups. So I'll just add, I'm not quite sure how much that is. You can measure yours, and that's why I have the measurement there. Gotta add more powdered sugar. If you enjoy this content, now is a good time to like and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell so you will be notified when the next video comes out. Add powdered sugar till it gets to the consistency you want to be able to spread it. Adding more than 2 cups is fine if you need to do that to get to the right consistency. So I want the consistency so that it'll spread over the cookie but not drip off the sides. Well, that's working out well. These cookies are absolutely delicious, and everyone that I gave them to really enjoyed them. After I got them all spread, I decided to put a little cinnamon sugar on them. It went pretty quickly. White chocolate pumpkin cookies. Well, these turned out great. You can see the cinnamon sugar I mentioned earlier, which is always a compliment to pumpkin cookies. And this recipe made a lot, about 5.5 dozen. I can't go further without recognizing the white chocolate, which makes this cookie so special. And the frosting adds another layer of sweetness. That is another thing about this cookie. With the white chocolate and the sugars, you might expect this cookie to be overly sweet, but it's not. It was perfectly in balance with the pumpkin flavor, which I thought was nice. I really hope you try this recipe soon and let me know what you think. So bye for now, God bless, and come back for more goodness right here on Darlene's Table.